Hi, and welcome to another training video by Technical Maintenance Support. In this presentation, we will be going over adding another printer to your EFI RIP software. To add an additional printer driver into Fiery XF, say for example I have an additional Z6100 and the pre-installed drivers don't afford me one more, I need to right-click and go to New Output Device. After doing that, I need to go over to the setup and select the kind of output device that I have. I need to scroll down to the HP Z6100, and in there I'm going to select the HP Z6100 either 42 or 60 inch halftone driver. Once I have that selected, I can name the device. You can name it TMS HP DesignJet Z6100-2 if that's familiar to you, or Eddie or Frank or Larry or Curly, it doesn't matter. The next thing that we need to do is select a valid IP address. Again, if you don't know what the IP address of your printer is, please speak with the individual who set the printer up on your network. Once this has been established, go ahead and you can test it at this point, but make sure to save the changes. You now have a new device loaded. We now need to be able to get from our administrative login to the device. It works kind of like a waterfall. If you don't have the permission or the water streaming down to the device, there's no way that the job will get to it. So we need to set up a workflow, and we need to make sure that our water is flowing to both spots. The easiest thing to do in this case is to highlight the workflow that you want to copy. Control-C, copy it, and Control-V, paste it. You may rename this workflow too if you so choose. To do so, you just double-click on the workflow name. Once you have it named appropriately, go ahead and draw an arrow from the Admin tab to the workflow, and then from the workflow to the printer. You may then uncheck or check on these red stop signs that allows the work to be able to flow through to the workflow, and then from the workflow to the printer. Congratulations, you have just added another printer in this new RIP software. Thank you for joining us for yet another TMS support presentation. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Should you have any questions about anything that you've heard in this film, please contact a TMS support representative at your earliest convenience. Thank you.